Hello students, here is the question. A resistor develops 500 joules of thermal energy in 20 seconds when a current of 1.5 amperes is passed through it. If the current is decreased from 1.5 amperes to 3 amperes, what will be the energy developed in the 20 seconds? So here we know the relation between the current and the energy as heat, which is H over here is I square RT, where I is current, R is resistance, T is time. We know H1 is 500 joules, T is the same, which is 20 seconds, I1 is 1.5 amperes. Now I2 in this case is 3 amperes. We need to find H2 in this case. So H1 by H2, if we take the ratio, it will only be the ratio of the squares of the current, because R and T are the same, and I1 by I2 is 1.5 upon 3, H1 is 500, so it becomes 3 upon 3 by 2 the whole square into 500. So total value becomes 2000 joules. So the energy that will be developed in the 20 seconds for a 3 ampere when passed through the resistor is 2000 joules. Thank you.